Today we're making something ridiculously tasty that's perfect for summer lunches, lazy weekends, or honestly, any day you're craving bold flavours with minimal effort. It's my BBQ Dijon Mustard Chicken on Ciabatta. Whether you're cooking it on a barbecue, in a frying pan, or an air fryer, this one is light, bold, and requires minimal effort. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to ICG. We're going to start straight off because you're going to want to get your hands on this one. It is that good and that simple. Chicken breast. So I'm only going to do one today, and we're just going to butterfly it. This recipe is one that I roll out often. If my wife says to me, we've got some people coming over tonight and I didn't know about it, I've normally got chicken breasts in, and this one looks impressive, tastes impressive, and is really, really quick to make. So one chicken breast. Oh, by the way, don't try and put these on in this heat. Today here, it's got to be 31 degrees. Perfect for a barbecue, don't get me wrong, but trying to get one of these gloves on is an absolute nightmare, and I struggle at the best of times. So I want to get that into a bag, because we're just going to quickly marinate this up, move this out of our way, and get said glove off. Thank God, your hands end up sweating in there. In there, 2 garlic cloves, crushed. I want some olive oil. Good few glugs of it, and then Dijon mustard. You could swap this out if you want to. You could use whole grain, but I like the Dijon. English mustard if you want it even hotter, and a good spoonful of that. Some pepper, just lightly seasoning it up, and salt. Oh, got it the wrong way round. This one's the pepper, the other one was the salt. Okay, there we go. Close your bag up. And then we're just going to give it all a little good mix around. Now, if you've got the time, you could make this ahead and certainly put it in the fridge, let it marinate for, you know, up to a day if you want, as long as you want. But we haven't got that time. And normally when I make this dish, I haven't got the time. So I'm actually just going to let that do its thing, and we're going to put it straight on the barbecue. And this wants to cook over direct coals. There we go. Okay, so while that's cooking, and before we flip it over, we're just going to make a really simple Dijon mayonnaise. And I mean simple mayonnaise. And can you guess what's coming next? Yes, indeed, a little bit of the old Dijon. Okay, and then our Dijon mustard. And then just give that a good little mix. Gives it a nice little bite to that mayo, and it works really, really well with the finishing touches that we're going to put on this. So that's that done. Next, you're going to need some ciabatta. Just get one of these. Again, you can make this as big or as small as you want. I'm just going to go straight down the middle. And then probably use half of it. And then that will go onto our barbecue again in a minute just to char it up. Let's go and check on the chicken. Let's have a little look. Yeah, it's good. That's getting some nice colour on it. I'm just moving it a little bit further in over the coals now. Get some of that on the top. We don't want to lose any of that lovely flavour. We'll leave that for another couple of minutes and come and check on it. Okay, so let's give that a last little flip. Oh, lovely. Getting nice coloration on there. And then I just want to add our ciabatta just to toast it up. That'll be done in a couple of minutes, and we can give it a try and see how we've done. Nice bit of ciabatta. Just get a plate for our chicken to rest on. Lovely. Just leave that there for a second. Okay, with your ciabatta, we're going to put just a little bit of garlic on there. So this is just a clove of garlic, and just rub it on. You just get that nice hint of garlic. If I can hold it, I've chosen like the smallest piece of garlic here, but just give it a light sort of rub around. That's it, just gives it a little hint, nothing too overpowering. Leave it off if you've got people that don't like garlic. Get that in the centre of your plate. You want some of your Dijon mayonnaise, and we'll just give that a nice little spread around your ciabatta. Lovely. Let's get our chicken. Look at that lovely colour. Place that on the top. And then to that, we just finish it off with some mixed leaf lettuce, which is going very hot out here. I've had it in the little fridge behind me, but it does warm up quick in this heat. That's it. And then I just like to add a few spring onions, just the tails. A little bit there, just for garnish really, all around. And then finish it off with another dollop of your Dijon mayonnaise. And hope it stays on there. There we go. My barbecue Dijon chicken on toasted ciabatta. Oh, cannot wait to give this a try. Okay, and what I want to do is just finish it off. This is a little bit of homemade honey whole grain mustard dressing, and I just like to add a little touch of it to that salad as well, just over the top. That's it. I'll put the recipe for this down below. It's simple. It's like 4 ingredients. It's got some oregano and bits and bobs in it. Knife and fork. Let's give this a little go. I want to make sure I get some of that ciabatta. I mean, even the knives and forks, I mean, they are boiling hot. Wow. Okay, let's tuck in. Nice crispy ciabatta. A little bit of the lettuce, a little bit of the honey mayo. That is delicious. So simple. You saw how easy that was. This was done from start to finish in under 10 minutes. And that's what I mean. It's a great recipe. If you've got people that turn up, or you just fancy something really delicious for your dinner, but you don't want all the faff, this is perfect. It's a real showstopper with minimal effort. Guys, that's it from me for today. A real quick one for you. If you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe. Please also like, share and comment. If you try this or you've got a variation on it, or you just want to make a comment, please do so down below and I will respond. I'll leave all of the details of today's barbecue Dijon chicken and crunchy ciabatta down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, keep cool and it's cooking good.